In this example, we're going to solve this system with 3 equations and 3 unknown values. And we're going to do so by using the first step of elimination. So it looks like I have a couple of great candidates here. X's would be nice because if I were to add up the first and third equations, the X's would eliminate. Or I could multiply the second equation by 2, and 2 times 3 would be a positive 6. And in that manner, the first 2 would eliminate. Or the y's are great candidates because all of them are 2's. They are all negative, so we would have to run a -1 through one of these. And the z's, also good, probably not as good as the x's and y's. So let's just go ahead and go with the x's for no particular reason. So I know that on the second equation, if I go ahead and multiply everything by 2, then the x's here will eliminate. So let's go ahead and do that. So the second equation, when I double all the terms, becomes 6x minus 4y minus 8z equals 16. I'm going to rewrite the first equation. Now I can go ahead and add them up. So the x's eliminate. That was the point of that. So here I have negative 6y minus 6z equals 8. Okay, I'll kind of keep that equation handy. I also knew that if I just added the first and third equations, the x's would cancel out. So let's go ahead and do that. So these x's eliminate. So negative 2y and negative 2y make negative 4y. A positive 2z minus 6z makes a negative 4z. And a negative 8 and a negative 18 make a negative 26. Okay, so now I have, instead of a system with 3 equations and 3 unknowns, now a system with 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So I just have y's and z's. So which one of these might be a better candidate for elimination? Well, it looks like they're pretty much identical. So negative 6, negative 4, also negative 6 and negative 4. So let's go ahead and multiply the top equation by 2 to make a 12, and the bottom equation by 3 to make a 12. They're the same signs, negatives, so I'll need to go ahead and make one of these a negative. So I'll choose the 3. So let's go ahead and distribute the 2 through and also the negative 3 through. Okay, when I do the 2, I have negative 12y minus 12z equals 16. And the negative 3 will give me positive 12y, positive 12z, and it looks like a positive 78. Interesting that my y's and my z's cancel out, so I have a 0 on the left side. And on the right side, I'm going to have, it looks like, 94? So all my variables canceled, and I was left with a false statement because 0 does not equal 94. So in that case, I know this system has no solution.